In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Notion. Changing background colors is a simple way to make your pages easier to read and more organized, and it only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. I'll walk you through each action slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open the Notion page where you want to change the background color. This can be any page, a notes page, a task list, a database view, or even a simple text document. Make sure you're in edit mode, meaning you can place your cursor and type. Now start by highlighting the text or block whose background you want to change. You can click and drag your mouse over the text, or if you want to select an entire block, you can click just to the left of the text until the block is selected. You'll see a blue outline or shading that shows the block is active. This step is important because Notion applies colors at the block or text level, so it needs to know exactly what you want to modify. Once your text or block is highlighted, move your cursor to the left side of that block. You'll see a small icon with 6 dots appear. This 6-dot handle is Notion's block options menu. Hover over it and click on it. When you do, a menu will pop up, usually right above or beside your block. This menu contains all kinds of settings for that block, like turning it into a heading, a to-do item, or a different type of content. In that block menu, look for the option labeled Color. Go ahead and click on Color. This will open a list of color choices that you can apply to your text or background. You'll usually see 2 sections, one for text color and one for background color. To change the background, choose one of the background options, such as light gray, yellow, blue, or any other color Notion offers. When you click your chosen background color, you will see the change applied immediately to the highlighted text or block. If it doesn't look quite right, you can open the color menu again and try a different shade until you find one that fits your style and keeps your content readable. And that's it. By highlighting your text, using the 6 dots to open the block menu, clicking on color, and then selecting your preferred background, you can quickly customize the look and feel of your Notion pages.